Okay, what we have here then, this 3GS, I'm just about to take the main board out, put it in the body of another iPhone 3GS whose power button I know works, just to test to make sure that it is the power button that's not working properly. Once I know that, then I'll know that that can be replaced. I know that the LCD can be replaced also, so once I know that, I'll be able to do both repairs, get it working 100%, and then we'll move on from there. Okay, so we've got this 3GS here in a different 3GS carcass. It's just the main board in there. Pressing the power button, it's already switched on obviously, but that lights the screen up, so that tells us that it just needs the new power switch in the original carcass, and then that'll get that working again. We already know what needs to be done with the screen, so we're going to go ahead and get that done now. Okay, we've got the main board out of the white case that we used. This is the original. We've got the upper assembly out, as you can see, that's this here. So I'm just going to be replacing pretty much all of this. We've got this bracket here that holds the silent switch in place. We'll be taking that bracket off and putting it on the new circuit. I think we'll be using this metal plate here as well to hold the volume buttons in. But apart from that, it's all going to be renewed, and you'll see reconstructing the upper assembly. There is quite a lot more to it than just the switch, which is this here. There's a headphone socket there, the silent switch, which is that component there, and then here the volume buttons. Now this is the whole component laid flat, as you can see. There is a bit of origami, shall we say, that needs to be done to get it the right shape, and you'll see that going together next. Looking a little different now. We've got all this sort of where it should be and in place. Also the button switch at the top here for the, well, that goes on the bracket that actually screws inside the iPhone there. That's all ready to go. There's just a bit of adhesive to peel off here for the mute switch, and here to stick it down inside the case, and then it's going back in the iPhone. Okay, what we're doing now is starting to put the new assembly in the iPhone. As you can see, the button is there, that's screwed down. We've got the headphone socket screwed down as well. We've got screws in here that just all need tightening up. The volume buttons just need screwing in. And then pretty much everything will be in place for the main board, which is here, to go back in. And then we'll see things working again. Here we go then, the iPhone is nearly back together. The main board is in, the new assembly for the power button is in also. Not forgetting the fact though that this iPhone needs a new LCD screen. We've got the whole assembly here, so we're going to get that changed next, and then we'll get it all back together.